Ranchers in Montana have some of the last best grassland bird habitat in North America. My name is Christian Meny. I'm the Director of Conservation Ranching at Montana Audubon. I would say ranching in Montana is generally bird friendly in that ranches are in working lands. There's still habitats for birds that can be maintained and improved. The way to improve them would be to transition from more traditional grazing practices to more of a regenerative practice where cattle are more intensely rotated across the land. And that creates a patchwork and a mosaic of grassland that creates good habitat for grassland birds. When we bring a ranch into the Audubon Conservation Ranching Program, we write a habitat management plan for each ranch. And that outlines goals and objectives for helping maintain or create better bird habitat. And to test the efficacy of the habitat management plan, we do bird surveys to see how the bird communities respond to management.
Our ranch and our neighbors' ranches and ranches all across Montana provide amazing bird habitat. My name is Matt Skoglund, and together with my wife Sarah and our kids Otto and Greta, we started North Bridger Bison from scratch in 2018. We really value biodiversity and wildlife and birds. As far as the bird habitat, we hope that it just gets better and better every year through our management. And ultimately, what that looks like is focusing a lot on pasture recovery. We run our bison as one herd year round. So whatever pasture they're in, every other pasture on the ranch is being rested at that time. Plant species diversity, good water resources, riparian corridors, etc. That's all great for bird habitat. It's also great for our animals.
The better that we can help support ranchers to continue to maintain and use working lands with cattle and bison, the more habitat we can potentially conserve for the future.
Knowing that our ranch and our bison and our management of our ranch is working in sync with nature and providing habitat for birds and wildlife and promoting biodiversity, it just feels great. I have a greater appreciation for ranches and the wildlife and bird habitat that they provide. Greater appreciation than I ever have before.